it's Dawn from Indigo Bohemian Art Studio here, and today I'm going to do a little experiment. I generally use treadmill oil for cells in my paintings, but today I'm going to shake it up and use OGX coconut milk serum with dimethicone and see how that works for cells. A lot of people swear by it, so I'm going to try it out for myself. So, if you're in an experimenting mood, come to the art table with me. Let's go. Hey, it's Dawn. Today I have a 12-inch square canvas and I've got some beautiful ocean colors mixed over here, and each one has about a half a squirt of OGX coconut milk hair serum in it, which I'm going to try for cells today. I usually use treadmill oil, but today I'm going to try this one. I'm going to build a dirty flip cup with these colors that I've chosen. I love doing pours in ocean colors because they always seem to turn out so pretty. I've got white here. I also have a bright aqua green, a Prussian blue hue, cerulean blue, and turquoise. So I'm hoping they will make for a very pretty painting when it's all done. Now I'm just going to take a couple of minutes to pour these paints and build my flip cup. So I'm going to speed this up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just going to finish off this dirty flip cup with a little bit of this white paint. I'm going to save some of it to put around the cup once it's flipped over. Not going to worry about that little blue dot. And this is the easy way to flip it over. And hence why we call it a flip cup. I'm going to take the rest of this white paint and put it around the cup, and that's just so that the paint in the cup can flow a little easier over the canvas. Sometimes I put white over the whole canvas or black depending on the background, and then other times I just put a little bit around the flip cup. There's plenty of paint in the cup, so I'm not worried about the paint not spreading well because there's lots there. There, took care of that blue dot. Alright, we'll just get this spread out. Get as much white out of this cup as I can. And then we'll put these paint cups out of the way. Alright, now I want the coconut milk to have enough time to work through the paint and form the cells that it's going to form. I don't want to release the paint too soon, but I'm not a very patient person and I find it hard to wait sometimes. Okay, I'm going to drag it a little bit and then I'm going to release the paint. Here we go. Oh, look at those pretty colors. All right. Oh, wow. There's lots of cells formed already. Oh, what pretty colors. Okay, I'm just going to try to get as much paint out of this cup as I can. No sense wasting it. Look how pretty that is in there. Lots of cells in the cup. And lots of cells on the canvas. I'm going to get my creme brulee torch and I'm going to go over the paint on the canvas and see if I can't encourage a few more cells to pop up, especially in those big expanses of white. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I think I like this hair serum for cells. It's doing very, very well. And I love these blues and greens together. They're so pretty. Okay. Just gonna let it rest a few seconds. Look at all the cells that have popped. That's amazing. Well, I almost don't want to tilt it, but I need to tilt it, so I'm going to use the weight of the paint to, whoa. One moment, please. There's a little lump in there. I think it's a Floetrol booger. I'm going to have to pick that out before we go any further. Don't want it to mess up my design. Yeah, I didn't strain my Floetrol today, and I probably should have. Okay, I'm going to speed this up, and I'll be back soon. Okay, I've got my corners covered, and now I'm just trying to get that really nice design near the top to stretch towards the bottom a little bit, because it's a little muddy there. But overall, I am really impressed with the coconut milk serum. There are big cells and there are little cells, and you can stretch the cells and they don't break, at least not easily. I'm just going to try to slide that design a little bit more. What a pretty painting. I am partial to the blues, so that's what I like. There, I don't know if I want to tilt that much more. It's looking pretty good. It's a nice waterscape. I'm going to grab my creme brulee torch and work it over the paint and see if I can cause any more cells to pop. We're going to give this coconut milk serum a run for its money. Okay, there's little ones coming up. I don't know if you can see them, but I'll show you a close-up of the painting at the end of the video. I am really, really happy with this serum. I thought treadmill oil was the gold standard for causing cells in acrylic poured paintings, but this hair serum really works well. I will definitely be using it again. It's so pretty. I'm going to knock the heavy drips off the bottom here so they don't pull the paint off the front of the canvas. I am really happy with this painting. I'll be back with a close-up in just a moment. Okay, I'm back with a close-up. Can you see all the cells? There's big ones, there's small ones, and I'm just loving the colors in this painting. So I am really happy with the OGX coconut milk serum being used for cells. I will definitely make this part of my pouring experience. Thank you for joining me today. Please hit subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.